This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so in last class, I was teaching about price level and price list, right? Okay, so I've opened my tally screen. Okay, so now we are selling the polyester cloth to the customers. Okay, all of you go to Gateway of Tally vouchers. Go to Gateway of Tally vouchers. Press F8. On right side, you can see we have here sales. Click on sales. I'll take here customer ABC. Sales account. Name of the item polyester cloth. So we have 140 meters. In that, in Godon 1, we have 140 meter. In that, I am selling 120.50. And the build also the same thing. I'm not doing any up rounding or down rounding. So 120.50 meters, that is the actual bill. And the build also the same thing. I'm not doing any up rounding or down rounding. Rate I'll take here 85 rupees per meter. Am I audible to you? Can you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have to reply, then I can understand. Okay, got it everyone? 120.50 meters. The billing also the same thing, 120.50 meters only. And the rate is 85 rupees per meter. There is no discount here. It is showing the total amount. After the calculation line, we should take here CGST and SGST. Done?
Ma'am, could you wait?
Yeah.
Ma'am, should we take on account?
Yeah, take it as on account. Give the narration as being polyester cloth sold. Save the entry. So after save the entry, go back to the previous screen gateway of Tally, and there is an option here stock summary. Click on stock summary and take the cloth, and you can see the remaining we have here 19.50 meters. Done everyone? Finished? Hope you got it everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So next one. So I'll teach today composite supply and mixed supply. So can anyone say what is mean by composite supply? What is mean by composite supply? Okay. See composite supply.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
they are goods the when like they are sold as a package. Like
Yes. So because it consisting of a two or more goods or services that are naturally bundled and supplied together. So this one we call it as a composite supply. So here we have a key features like a bundling, principal supply, and the tax treatment. So these are the things will come here. So for example, air travel. See, whenever we will book a ticket for a flight ticket. Principal supply transportation by air. The additional services, it may be a meals, a baggage, handling the incidental. So these are the things will be adding in that one. So this one along with the taxes. So these things we call it as a composite supply. So I'll take one example on composite supply. I'll take one example. So for this, I'm going to create one new company and will activate the GST. So everyone create one new company. I'm not doing in a old company. Let me do it in new company. So go to create. So the company name itself I am giving as composite supply. So we are doing in a new company. Everyone has to create one new company. All of you are creating new company, right? Create one new company, everyone. Financial year is 1st of April. Book beginning also 1st of April. Don't give any security things here. Save it. Then creation of new company.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Save it. After that, you can see company created successfully. It is showing like this. And to go back to the previous screen, gateway of tally, press escape. And you can see both the companies will be there. The previous company and the new company. So I'll just close the previous company. For that, I'll go to shut company. Okay. Now we have to activate the GST. Go to company features. So here,
Ma'am, ma'am,
yeah,
ma'am, can you wait for 1 second now?
yeah. The people has to respond, then I can come to know.
After company created successfully, what we should do?
Okay, if both the companies are opened, you just close one company. Go back to previous screen, gateway of
Okay, ma'am.
company. You can see both the companies here, existing company and the present company. If you want to close the old company, go to company shed. So click on this shed and close the previous one. Done. Okay, go to company, features. Here we have an option called enable GST. Already it's been yes. Press enter. Select that yes option and press enter. And here state is Karnataka, registration type is regular, GSTN number we have to add here. Already I thought this is a GSTN number, it is a 15-digit number. Okay, type this number. Finished? Okay. And periodicity of GSTR1 I'll take monthly. No need to give other information here. Only the thing you have to type the GSTN number. After typing the GSTN number, the GSTR1 we are paying monthly, that you have to select. Then keep on enter. No need to change any changes, any options here. Save this. And to save all the information at a time, press Ctrl A. Automatically it will go back to Gateway of Tally screen. Is that clear? Done everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I have to create a GST ledgers. So what are the GST ledger? Previously, what are the GST ledgers we have created?
CGST and SGST.
And other ledgers?
IGST.
And one more? Two more actually, you should say. Purchase account, sales account, CGST, SGST, and IGST. Create everyone. So these are the ledgers you have to create. Total 5 ledgers you are supposed to create here. Purchase,
Ma'am,
sales,
CGST and GST will comes under taxes and duties, right, ma'am?
yeah, duties and taxes. And what about this purchase accounts and sales account? This, these two will comes under which group? Okay. So I'll go to Gateway of Tally, create ledger. The first ledger I'm creating here, purchase account. It comes under the group called purchase accounts only. So just keep on enter, save. Otherwise press Ctrl A, it will be saved. The same thing we have to create here, sales account. So this will comes under the group called sales account. No need to change anything here. Just keep on enter, save. Is that clear? Done everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then CGST, duties and taxes. And type of duty is GST. Here you have to choose CGST. The same way SGST. IGST.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, ma.
Excuse. What we need to give for the tax type, ma'am?
No need to give anything. In tax type, you have to select these things. If it is IGST, you have to select IGST. If you are creating CGST, select CGST only.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, ma.
Ma'am, you had shut the previous company, ma'am. So if
Hmm.
we again want to open it, how do we open?
Go to select. I just shed the company. I didn't delete the company. The company will be closed. That's all. See, if I go to select option, if I click on select, so we have our old company only. See, it will display
Okay,
the
okay,
old
ma'am.
company. I'm not deleting. I just shed the company. That means close the company. Done
Okay, ma'am.
everyone creating of ledgers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what are the ledgers I have created? I want to view. So, where should I go to see the ledgers? I want to view
Chart
the
of
ledger. Yes, exactly. So, go to chart of accounts, ledgers, and for the ledger view, we have to press F5. Otherwise, on the right side, click on ledger view. So, you can see here by default, ledger is cash account and profit and loss account. And these are the what we created. These are the ledgers. It's clear? Done this one? Okay.
Excuse me,
Can
ma'am.
you repeat it again?
Which one? Go to gateway of tally, create ledger, create all the ledgers, purchase account, sales account. These are the ledgers we have to create. After
After
creating,
that,
after that, to see the ledgers, go to gateway of tally, chart of accounts. Here, I am showing the screen here, gateway of tally, chart of accounts, ledgers. And on the right side, we have an option called ledger view. Click on that.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I had a doubt. Why in the new company, by default, it is created the cash and profit and loss account, ma'am?
No, the Tally company itself, they made the software like this by default cash and P&L account. Like how we got that by default groups, no, the same thing. So many of the options by default
Okay.
itself it is created by Tally. So we can say it make our work very easy.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, done everyone. Okay, so after creating the ledgers, GST ledgers, we have to create a inventory masters. Inventory masters. The first one is unit. godown, stock category, group and item. Stock category, group and item. So these things we have to create now. See, I am in gateway of tally screen. I'll click on create option. If you click on create option, you'll be having this. These are the options, inventory masters. So in inventory masters, the first thing I'm going to create godown and click on create new. Gateway of tally, create, inventory masters, godown, and you have to click on create new. So godown 1, it comes under primary, save it. Like this we can create many number of godown. Even we can create by using the places name also. And godown 3. So right now I am creating 3 godowns. Hope everyone are doing simultaneously. Once you,
Yes.
yeah, done creation of godown.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next thing we have to create a unit. So I'll create numbers. The same procedure, gateway of tally, create, inventory masters, units, numbers, formal name is number. In a wordings you have to type, and unit quantity code also, numbers you have to select.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, save it. Okay, next one we have to create here stock category. Okay, before this you can go to chart of accounts and you can see the godowns and units. See, these are the 4 godowns we have, including main location. And units. Just now I have created only one unit, that is the numbers. And now I am going to create stock category. The same procedure, go to gateway of tally, create stock category. So I'll take here electronic devices. So the first one I am creating here stock category as electronic devices. The next one I'll take mobile, and stock item is MI phone I'll take. I'll take LG TV. The group I'll take here television. Again, it is electronic devices. Okay, hope everyone created the stock category. Then we'll create a mobile and television as a stock group. Now I'm going to create stock group, mobile, comes under primary, save it. Then I'll create television. This will be coming under primary, save it. Done everyone, creation of stock group and stock category.
What all should we create?
Stock group and stock category.
No. In stock group, mobile and
Television. Mobile and television you have to create. Create stock group as mobile and television. Now I'm going to create MI phone and LG TV. Okay, so let me create stock item. See, in this stock item, you are supposed to give the tax rate and all. So do simultaneously MI phone. So right side it will display the group. I'll select mobile and category I'll select here electronic devices. And unit is numbers. So type the name as MI phone. It comes under mobile, category is electronic devices, and units is numbers. Done everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now on right side you can see here GST applicability. It is applicable. Press enter and we have to give the details here. So choose the second option, specify details here. HSN. So I told you the full form of HSN. Anyone knows what is the full form of HSN? Anyone knows the full form of HSN?
Harmonized system. No. Correct.
Harmonized system. The full form of HSN is Harmonized System Nomenclature. And what about SAC?
Service accounting code.
So SAC is Service Accounting Code. This one will be using whenever we are passing the entry on services. HSN we are using for the goods. Okay. Now HSN code I'll just give here 001. You can give any 6-digit number. Description I'll take here mobile. And the next option we have here GST rate and related details. Specify details here. So it is a taxable.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me ma'am.
Ma'am, it is asking the effective date, ma'am.
Effective date. Here it is asking.
When I click after the description, it says asking the effective date for the reverse the GST details.
You have to select here specify details here. Don't take that as per company.
Yeah, ma'am, I just given the specified details here online.
Okay, take it as 1st of April.
Okay.
Okay. Now GST rate details is specified details here. It is a taxable. So I'll take here 18% of tax for mobile. You can see the tax breakup will be 99%. Type of supply is goods. Done everyone? I'm just saving the entry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have created the stock item as EMI phone. See, I've taken one example here. Purchased 10 EMI phone at rupees 18,000 and mobile charger from Chrome company. Okay. So we can choose by cash. Okay. Now in this example, we have to create a ledger as Chrome company as a sundry creditors. They are the suppliers for our company. And we have to create one more ledger as mobile charger because the mobile chargers I'm not creating as a stock item because I'm doing the composite supply entry here. I'm not creating as a stock item, but it will included in the accessible value calculation. See, for example, if I am purchasing the phone, so again I have to pay for mobile charger. So that is what the example I have taken here. Okay. So in this example, I have to create a Chrome company as a ledger. Again, go back to gateway of Tally, create ledger. Go back to gateway of Tally. Once you're done with the MI phone stock item is creation, go back to gateway of Tally, ledger. I'll create here Chrome company and the group is sundry creditors. Select the group as sundry creditors. And here we have to give a GSTN number. I'm giving the GSTN number here. Go to ledger creation screen. Type the name as Chrome companies. It will comes under creditors and you have to give a GSTN number here. Done everyone?
One
Yes, ma'am.
second, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll create one more ledger, that is mobile charger. So type the ledger name is mobile charger. So once you're done with the Chrome company ledger creation, again we are creating one more ledger, that is a mobile charger. This one I am not including in as a stock item. Now this will comes under indirect income. Select it as indirect income. Done everyone. And you have your statutory details include in accessible value calculation. This option is getting for everyone. If not, you have to do some changes. Everyone are getting the same option here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here include in accessible value calculation, you have to select GST and appropriate to goods. Method of calculation based on value. And you can see GST applicability is not applicable. Is that clear? Okay. So I'll just save the ledger. So now I have to pass the purchase voucher entry. So any doubts before passing the purchase voucher entry? All of you have created the ledger, stock item, GST ledgers, everything. Done everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I have to pass the purchase voucher entry. Purchase 10 MI phone at rupees 18,000 and mobile charger is rupees 1,000. Okay. See here, I'll go to vouchers. Okay. I'll go to voucher, purchase voucher. So if you are getting the screen like this, actual and billed, so we have to inactivate this one. Further, I'll go to company features. The last option you should make it as no. Use separate actual and billed quantity columns, make it as no. And save this one. Done everyone? Okay, so purchase voucher I am doing now. Invoice number I have taken 001. Party's account name is cash. Sorry, party's account name is Chrome Company. Save this party details. Purchase ledger is purchase account. So name of the item, I'll take here MI phone. I placed in Godon 1. Quantity we are purchasing 10 numbers. Rate is 18,000. No discount for this. This is a normal purchase entry I am doing here along with the CGST and SGST. Done, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now you can see e-way bill. So we are transporting from which place to which place we have to mention here. Already I explained this e-way bill why I am doing the purchase voucher. So dispatch from will take here Bangalore, Hassan. Transporter name, ID, mode. So these are the things we have to enter here. After this, take it as take it as on account. Take it as on account being MI phone purchased.
Ma'am,
Done, everyone?
ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
which godown we need to choose it, ma'am?
Huh?
Which godown we should choose it, ma'am?
I've taken Godon 1 here. Take
Yeah.
Godon 1. Take it as Godon 1, 10 numbers, 18,000.
What should I take for the new reference or on account, ma'am?
On account. Take it as on account. Take it as on account. Give the narration and you can save.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Save it. Hope everyone did purchase voucher. Now we have to pass the sales voucher entry. Okay, sold one EMI phone at rupees 19,000 and the mobile charger at rupees 1,000 to Raj customer. Okay. Now I have,
Ma'am, after,
yeah,
ma'am, after this purchase voucher, you have to save it.
yeah, save the entry.
Next.
Next, I'm going to show you the sales voucher.
Okay.
Now, See here, I have taken one example here. Sold one MI phone at rupees 19,000 and mobile charger at rupees 1,000 to Raj customer. So I have to create a customer first. The customer ledger we are supposed to create now, and he will comes under datas. Again, go back to gateway of Tally. So go back to gateway of Tally, create ledger. Now I am creating the customer ledger. So he will comes under sundry datas. Give the GSTN number. So after creating the customer ledger, just save this one. After creating the customer ledger, save this one. Now I'll go to vouchers, sales voucher. On right side you have a sales F8. Click on sales.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, ma.
Ma'am, how do I remove that actual and build thing? How do I remove that?
Okay, I'm showing the screen. You just see here. Click on company on the top. K is there, no? Click on company. Click on features. And the last option in the under inventory, use separate actual and build quantity columns. If it is there, yes. Type it as no.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Are you in a sales voucher or purchase voucher?
I'm sales voucher.
Okay, fine. Now, so in a sales voucher, party's account name is Raj customer. I'll just say this one, party details. Sales ledger is sales account. Name of the item, MI phone. In Godon 1, we have 10 numbers. In that I am selling only one number. Rate I am giving here 19,000 per number. Done up to this here. Okay, now I can't take it as mobile charger as a stock item in the next line. So I've created as an indirect income ledger. So what you have to do after this calculation line, I'm just showing here after the calculation
Ma'am,
line.
could you wait 1 minute?
Yeah. Once you've done this, you say me. Otherwise, if you have any doubt, you can ask me.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
go down one, ma'am.
Yeah. Golden one only. You just check it out in which golden you have selected.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Actually, we should have to create a mobile charger as an item right now. Why should we have created a
Yeah,
ledger?
yes, I'll tell you that one. So based on a value thing I have taken here because I am doing the composite supply. I'll show it in a print preview of the bill. Okay, done everyone. Now after the calculation line, you have to take your mobile charger. And here manually I have to enter the amount is 1000. Sorry. After the calculation line, you are supposed to take mobile charger and you can type here CGST and SGST. Done here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Ma'am, after mobile charger is asking cost center and all.
cost center, a mobile charger. Okay, you just give bank. Okay, cost center we didn't create only, no? Do one thing. Select this mobile charger and press Control Enter. Press Control Enter. If it is showing cost center option here, make it as no. I think you are doing in an existing company. So only I told you to do it in a new company.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
can you show the cursor where it is showing, ma'am?
No, here it is not showing ma because I didn't activate it. Here one option will come. Cost center option.
But even we don't have that option, ma'am, but it is asking the item cost center, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm doing it in my new company itself, but it's asking for cost center.
Okay, do one thing. Go to company features. In company and features. I'm showing the cursor here. Click on company and click on features. And you can see under accounting enable cost center. If it is yes, make it as no. Is this option is yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, make it as no that one. And press Control A.
Ma'am, it's not happening.
Click on
Done, ma'am.
company. Click on feature. See this one. Use down arrow key. If this cost center option is yes, type no.
Ma'am, it's skipping from that cost center thing.
Okay, type cost center anything A, B, C, D. We'll see. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You got it, ma? Okay, sales account, MI phone. So now in composite supply, what we are doing is, so what are the items we purchased? For everything, it will be given as a tax rate is, it will come along with this one. So type CGST, SGST, and take it as on account. So before saving this, you can press Alt A.
Ma'am, we are not able to do it, ma'am.
Why, ma'am? Again, you're getting the cost center option again.
No, ma'am. After SGST, you said us to click on Alt A, no, ma'am.
Hmm.
It is not activating, ma'am.
Hold the Alt key and press A.
No, ma'am, it is not happening, ma'am.
Not coming. And what about others? No one is getting Alt A option.
Getting, ma'am.
Getting, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So after this, on right side you can see F5 option is there. If you click on next to that, there is a small arrow mark. You'll get the option as F5 detailed. That is Alt F5. I am showing in the same screen. Don't click on F5, it will not work. On the right side, you have a small arrow mark. If you click on the small arrow mark, detailed.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you repeat it once again, ma'am?
So, okay, are you in the same screen? In a tax analysis screen?
No, ma'am, I'm in the watch screen.
Okay. Press Alt A. Don't save the voucher. So press Alt A. So once you press Alt A, right side F5 button is there. It is not activating because you have to click on the small arrow mark. Next to that, there is a small arrow mark here.
Ma'am, but when I click on Alt A, it is just typing only the A, ma'am.
No, ma, you have to hold Alt key. In keyboard, we have a Alt key, no? Hold the Alt and press A. Then you have to leave the Alt key.
It's not coming, ma'am.
Okay, do one thing. Click on this related reports. On right side, we have a related reports here. Are you getting the same option, related reports?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, click on this and click on this tax analysis.
Yes, ma'am. I got it, ma'am.
Okay, now you just click on this F5. On small arrow mark, you have to click. This will not work. So click on the small arrow mark and click on detailed.
Yes, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
You got it? Huh? So this is a tax analysis. You can see here MI phone, the including the HSN code, everything it is showing the taxable value is 20,000 because the item value is 19,000 and the mobile charger is 1,000. So the total it is 20,000 along with the CGST and SGST. The total amount it will show. So in a composite supply, so we are not taking as a stock item the mobile charger. Separately, we are calculating, and based on that, we are adding the taxes here. It is not a bulk one. So for each and every item, we are adding the tax. That is what they will do in a composite supply. Okay. Now stay in the same screen. There is an option here, print. Okay, press escape. Come back to the voucher. Escape. Come back to the sales voucher. Click on print option. So after seeing the tax analysis, come back, press escape for the sales voucher screen and click on print. Click on current and click on preview. Got it like this, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? See, this is a invoice will given a composite supply. Like for example, if I am purchasing fridge or washing machine, so in a stock item wise it will display washing machine, the stand and all they will be adding like this extra charges. So these are the things they'll be doing in a composite supply.
ಅಯ್ಯ ಬಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ ಯಾಕ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
Subhashini, Subhashini, mute yourself. So got it, everyone? All of you got this? Got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any
Yes,
doubts
ma'am.
in this? Okay. Now press escape. And if you got the sales voucher screen, give the narration and then you can save it. PM, my phone and mobile charger sold. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, save this entry. So, any doubts in this?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, what's the difference between if we do this same example in sales voucher also, it will come
Hmm.
like this only, now. Ma'am, what's the difference between composite supply and this, ma'am?
Yeah. See, in a previous example, what we did in a sales voucher, everything we taken as a stock item. Like for example, I did many sales voucher. We sold LG TV, Dell computers, Lenovo laptop, everything we sold. Along with the stock item, we are giving the GST rate. Right. The previous examples. See, if I take a Dell computers, I'll be adding the charges. GST is 18%. And we used to sell this one. That is what we are doing in a sales voucher. Now what I am doing here, see, I'll give an example. If you want to purchase a bike, like whether it is electric bike or whatever it is, normal Honda Activa bike, so the bike value they'll be having, like for example 1,20,000. Bike value is 1,20,000. The extra accessories what we are purchasing, that we have to pay separately, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now what I am doing, that bike value I am adding in a stock item. The extra things what we are purchasing, that is separately we are just selling that one. That is what it is showing in a printed invoice.
Yes, ma'am. We can do that in sales voucher itself, right? Why should we go do composite supply?
Yes, because in a real time, the composition dealers they are doing like this only. If I purchase a washing machine, the extra stand and those things they'll not add it in a stock item. They will take extra amount for that one, and along with that, they'll be adding the taxes. They are
Okay.
not giving us a bulk. That is what we call it as a composite supply. In a mixed supply, what will happen? Everything will come together. That is a mixed supply. So there are two types of supplies will be there. One is composite supply and one more is mixed supply. So now I showed one example on composite supply, how it will work. And in the next class, I'll show you what is mixed supply and how it will work. That will be in a bundled one.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
What's the difference between composite supply and mixed supply, ma'am?
That is what I'm telling. So I gave an example of bike also. If you are purchasing the bike, the value of bike is 1,25,000. The extra accessories we have to pay separately, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You are getting my point now. Extra accessories I have to pay, and the overall amount they will collect from us. Think that 1,75,000. So they'll be adding the tax amount for extra accessories also. But this is not showing in a bike value. This will be showing in a separate value. That's why they are not adding GST for this extra accessories. Still you are in a confusion?
No, I've got it.
Okay. So what I'm saying is, if I purchase the stock item and the other accessories, they'll be charging the separate tax. They'll be charging the taxes also. Separate taxes they'll be charging for entire thing. So that is what we are doing in a composite supply. In a mixed supply, it will be come in a bulk. Like we can say, like combo offers will be there. Like for example, if you go to shopping mall, you'll be getting shampoo, conditioner, hair oil, everything together. and the rate will be only like 2000 along with the tax. They're not charging separately. That one we call it as a mixed supply.
In composite supply, the tax will be separate for accessories and the main value, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So in a mixed supply, they'll be given in a combo offers or like an entire package. So that one we call it as a mixed supply. Got it? Or still you have a doubts?
No, ma'am, got it.
Okay, fine. So any other doubts? So all of you got that print option. So click on print, click on current, and you have to click on preview. So this mobile charger I have taken as a based on value. I didn't give any percentage. I didn't create it as a stock item. So based on value, you can see here CGST, SGST, and mobile charger value is 1,000. So the total tax amount will be 3,600. That is what I showed in a tax analysis. So any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in next class, I'll give the example on mixed supply. Okay, so next class on Monday. Okay, so I'll give the example on mixed supply. And again, we'll create one new company and then we'll do the entry. Okay,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yeah, tell me so.
Ma'am, on Tuesday we have a online test from college, ma'am.
Okay,
Evening.
okay.
So,
So, okay, Monday you people can attend, right?
Yeah,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Only Tuesday you have a test, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, only one day it will be there or it will extend?
Only
No,
Tuesday, ma'am.
ma'am. One day. That's all.
Okay, so, okay, fine. So, okay, I'll speak with my manager and then I'll let you know. So I think we can't do anything because you have a test, you have to take that one and we'll extend further another one day.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 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 Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, for like we have shop like ma'am, no? For billing and all, how we do, ma'am?
Okay. Sir, billing and all, I thought one option. Do you remember POS? Point
Yes,
of
ma'am.
sale. Hmm.
Uh,
So, like, I want to create a POS invoice. If you want, I'll show it again. POS invoice. This will come under sales voucher. Okay. So I'll take this option, visit again. So name of class, I'll take here POS1. Sales account. CGST is GST. Okay, so once I created POS invoice in a sales voucher, if I go to sales, it is asking for POS invoice. Now I am not doing the sales voucher. So sales voucher is nothing but we are purchasing the goods from the, so we are purchasing bulk goods from the suppliers, and POS invoices I am selling to the customers. What are the items I have in my godown? I am selling to the customer. That is what we are doing in a POS invoice. This is for individual customers. So godown is not required. Party name is not required. So name of the item I'll take here in my phone. You can see here automatically it will display everything. One number, 19,000, everything it will display. And I have to give the cash. If I give the shopkeeper cash is 23,000, the remaining balance he will give me 580. And this is a printed invoice we are giving to the customer.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Okay, sir. Is there any other doubts?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone.